There's a CIC hut in front of us. That's nice. I think, whoa, I think it's on the right hand side. Yeah, 100 meters. It's going to be sharp right now, I think. And in front of you, you should be looking at like a piece of rock that you can build a stance end of first pitch. This looks completely different than in winter, but it must be that, yeah. We're going behind that little ridge, and there must be another patch of grass leading left up the hill. So what you see over there is not the end of the pitch. The pitch ends over there. Yeah. Yeah. Especially in that weather, it's even more challenging. So we're about to start the first pitch. And that's what it looks like. We won't be using the rope. A bit tricky, but hopefully okay. It started to rain, so it's going to be wet all over. Okay. that's another pitch. So it must be here and here.
Yeah.
It is 90 degrees angle.
Yeah, I will definitely no anchor over there.
Once you're at that point, it goes right again.
This one is a short one, so behind that little rock in the middle, you turn right again.
Okay.
Yeah, you can tell people have been walking here.
Yeah.
Exposure behind you. Careful. The grass over there.
Oh, that way.
No, right. So it's there, there, and there. Don't rush, slow.
Already here to the left or?
I believe straight ahead. We need to get to the two ridges and there will be a gap in between. Bloody exposed, I don't remember this.
What I find interesting always, how much of the black stuff you see,
Yeah,
because that's an indication that not so many people been here.
is there a ridge there? Yeah, okay. Must be here. I don't remember that bit.
Between here, I can see.
Okay, let me see. Doesn't look like that.
Okay.
It does not look like that.
More difficult climb.
It must be on the left hand side there.
Then says the gangway, or we are indeed already too far.
I think so. The other one looked more like what we've done before, like easy.
Yeah, on the left hand side, the grass, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, the good thing is we can come back. Careful. Every single rock here is loose, like every single one.
The top of everyone is slippery.
Funny. I never climbed that way before. Yeah, it must be there. Yeah, the end of third pitch supposed to be like the ridge, the end bit. So we definitely went too far. Yeah, it must be there. It has to be. As you can tell, the route is there.
Ah, but then this looks like a route as well.
Yeah.
Like, we go up.
Let me see what's there. It is somewhere here. Yeah, I think it's ahead. Because of the fog, I couldn't see it. This is what I was talking about. The exposure here.
Yeah, it's like straight down, right?
Jesus. Fantastic. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh, yes, that's the one. Oh my goodness.
On this side.
Yeah. Further you go here, easier you're gonna come down. And literally just swap hands. Yay! Loose rocks, be careful. You can tell from here how exposed it is.
Yeah.
You down a bit.
Maybe we should go more right? I don't remember so much scrambling at the end, to be honest with you. And a beautiful view. Looking at this bloody fog, it's like everywhere. Lower level, upper level, everywhere. Oh yes, that's good. And you can tell the rock is getting drier. Yeah. At least here on the top.
Yeah, let's do this.
Yeah, we can do the chimney. There is definitely a path on your right hand side. I can see it from here.
Just saying to him there are multiple ways to go.
Quickest and safest way.
Somehow we will have to obviously get to the top here.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time. Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
I hope you enjoyed the video, so see you next time.